I'm going to be showing you how to make calls with Discord on your iPhone. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to make Discord calls on iPhone. So the first thing you should do is launch Discord on your iPhone. So as you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and tap here, wait for it to load. And once you're there, you should see something like this. You also need to make sure that you're logged in with your account. And the second thing you need to do is decide who you're calling. So there are two ways to call. So you can either call a friend directly through DM, or you can join a voice channel in a server. So let's say you want to join a server first. I'm going to show you how to do it with a server. So just go ahead and tap on any of the servers that you have. And once you're here, you just need to scroll down till you find a voice channel right here. So you can recognize voice channel through this speaker option right there. So that's a voice channel. So if you want to join it, all you need to do is tap there and you can join the voice channel, and that's all you really need to do to make the call with the server. But if you want to do it with a direct message, then you just need to look at the top left where you can see this message icon. Just tap here and select a friend, and at the top right you have all these options where you have the video camera, the voice call. So it's completely up to you how you want to make the call. So in all of these ways, you can successfully make calls with Discord on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.